Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you how to change your Skype password on your PC. So, let's get started. First, open Skype on your PC. Click on the three dots in the top left corner and click on Settings. A new window will open up. You'll find a section labeled Manage. Within this section, click on your profile. This will open a web page with an interface like this. Here, you will see an option labeled Change Password. Click on it. Now you'll land on an interface like this, where you can create a new password for your account. To do this, start by entering your current password. After that, create a new password for your account. Make sure it's secure and not easily guessable. Once you've entered the new password, click on the Save button. That's it. You've successfully changed your Skype account or your Microsoft account password. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.